welcome back to my channel. It's ThatGirlRuvie, and if you're new, my name is Ruvarashe, and on this channel we do DIY clothing, recreating clothes, thrift flips. So if that's your little thing, go ahead and join our little fashion show. Hit that subscribe button. Y'all, my hair is been stressing out. I don't know how to style this short locks, but anyway. So today in this video we're going to be making this little top that I have on. I hope you guys can see it. Like, yeah, this is the top. And this is part of my creating my spring summer clothes from Pinterest. So this top is inspired by these. This is where I got the inspiration, and it came out really cute. So if you want to know how I made this top, stay tuned and let's get started with the tutorial.
We're gonna start by taking our fabric from the corner and then fold it over and creating a diamond shape with the full fabric, and then you're going to measure from your collarbone until the desired length of how you want it long to be. That's where you're going to divide that into and then fold it from there. And then we're going to take your breast measurement and divide it by 4, and that's the measurement I'm taking right now. This is going to be the middle of the length that you want, and then we're going to fold it back and then cut it out. Now I'm going to be cutting for the strings that are going to be connecting at the back, and for the neck I'm going to be cutting 4 pieces because the other 2 I'm going to combine them for the neck. And then on all of the strings you're going to fold them into like this and then do a top stitch, and this is going to be our straps. We're going to be hemming our little diamond, the centerpiece of the top. We're just going to fold over all the edges, and at every corner you're just going to fold it over as I'm doing in the video, and then sew a top stitch on it. After you're done, this is how it's supposed to be looking like. And then we're going to go ahead and also put in the straps for the sides of the top, and these are going to be the ones you tie behind your back and for both pieces. Then now we're going to fold over one of the top pieces, the part that you're going to decide is going to be near your neck, and then sew it down. Make sure you double stitch so that it stays in place, and then we're going to take our neck strap and just put it through, and that is all, and we're done.
So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching and you learned and you loved how the thing came out. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. If you want to know how to make more tops and more DIY tutorials, you can watch this playlist next right here. I have a lot of DIYs for you guys. See you in my next video.